This is a great recipe to stretch that 1 pound of ground turkey and feed 3 to 4 hungry people. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make an easy, quick, and delicious Asian turkey stir-fry. Stay tuned. This ground turkey stir-fry is so quick and easy. You can also use ground chicken, beef, or pork. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, about 3/4 of a cup of diced onions, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. All of these are going to add a lot of flavor to this stir-fry. Cooking and stirring for about a minute, and then I'm adding in 1 pound of ground turkey. Cooking and chopping for 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to change color. Turkey is a light, bland meat that will soak up all those Asian flavors. You can add any vegetable that you like, but you want to use vegetables that will only take 3 to 5 minutes to cook. Something like celery, snap peas, or mushrooms. Tonight I'm using 1 cup of zucchini and 3/4 of a cup of red bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for about a minute. I am also adding in 1 small can of rinsed and drained water chestnuts. These will add some crunch and more Asian flavor to this stir-fry. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the zucchini becomes tender. Don't overcook, you still want to have some bite and texture in the veggies. And now the sauce to bring it all together, and it's real simple. Adding in about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm using a dark mushroom soy sauce for more flavor and color. Cooking and stirring for about a minute to get everything incorporated. This smells and looks amazing. One final touch, and that is a small drizzle or about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. One final stir, and we are ready to eat. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice. You could also garnish with some sesame seeds or chopped green onions. This ground turkey stir-fry is so quick and easy and full of Asian flavors and textures. You and your family will be happy. If you enjoy stir-fries, please remember to check out my Asian recipe playlist. I have lots of good and yummy recipes. Enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!